I am here in the Mind and Brain Hospital in Bangalore, and one of the most beautiful things of being here is I am with A.W. Sadatullah Khan Sahab. And I remember when I was in my high school, in my ninth standard, I attended Discover Yourself program, and it was really life-changing. I really want to thank you for that. It happened in Kashmir, that is my hometown. And after that, I went on this journey that I also want to help people like you were helping. I remember this. And I went to Malaysia, did my bachelor's degree. All these years after, like 15 years or more, I'm seeing you today face to face. And you were the part of the program that I was speaking in. And it was a huge honor to see you there. You know, thank you so much for that. And ultimately, this is like a dream come true. Like, I was so inspired by you. And today I travel widely, like I change cities every month, and have been to around 40 countries now doing all the programs, and it all started when you started inspiring me. So I just wanted everybody else to, I just wanted this message to be out that if you have an opportunity to attend the Discover Yourself workshop with Sadatullah Saab, please do that, and it would be really a life-changing experience like it was for me. So thank you so much for being my mentor. Thank you so much. Barakallah. Thank you. Allah bless you as well. Thank you.